time to have fun with Kitty and Lou.
Kitty!
That's the biggest something I've ever seen.
I know, right?
Oh my gosh, it's humongous.
Come on!
Oh, I'm starving. What a treat.
Hey,
Yeah?
you know who loves somethings?
Who? Oh, yeah. Panya.
Shall we take it to her?
What? No. Oh, yeah, she would love it, wouldn't she?
She would.
Lou, that's such a great idea. Think of all the things she does for us.
And we never does anything for her.
Today we will.
Yes!
Come on. Carrying song, carrying song. Carrying song, carrying song. Shooby-dooby-doop-dap,
Bong, carrying song, carrying song. Humma ding dong, biddly bong bong.
carrying song, carrying song. Whatever it is, we carry along.
It helps when we sing our carrying song,
Carrying song, carrying song.
Can we have a little rest? I'm exhausted.
Me too. Ugh,
It's so heavy.
I'll say.
Hey, Kitty,
Yeah,
are you thinking's what I'm thinking?
I'm not sure. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking's what you're thinking's.
Okay, well, are you thinking that maybe we could make it a little...
Make it a little lighter.
lighter, exactly. Smaller.
Smaller, yeah. I mean, it's so big, she wouldn't even notice, right?
Oh, yum.
Deliciousness!
I'm just looking to get a little bit more. Hang on.
This looks like the heavy bit here.
It's not such a nice gift now.
No. Pania would have loved that something.
Hey, I've got an idea.
What are you doing?
Look,
Oh, good idea.
we can just say we found a little one.
Let me see. It's a bit big at that end. And just a little one over here. There.
Wait, now it looks too fat at the other end.
You're right.
Oh, kia ora, Lou, kia ora, Kitty. I thought I heard your carrying song. What have you got?
A present.
For you.
For me? Really?
Ta-da!
Oh, delicious. They're small this year, aren't they?
Yeah, they're quite small.
What's that fruit called again?
We can never remember either. We just call it a something.
A something. Oh, guys.
Oh dear. What's wrong? She's crying.
No. These are happy tears.
I've never heard of happy tears.
Well, they're the tears you get when you're really happy. I'm really happy you thought of me.
It's so small, though.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Chuck it in. Here's a love.